how to unarchive story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn how to unarchive a story on Instagram and bring it back to your profile, then you're in the right place. So first of all, you'll have to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile, and on the top right you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on it and then there you'll see archive. Tap on it and here you are in your stories archive. If you tap on the drop down, you can also change it to post or live and so on. So if you want to unarchive your story, the only option is to tap on the story, go to the three dots and tap on delete story, and it will be unarchived. It will not appear in your archives. Another thing, if you want to repost it, you can tap on share as post and it will be posted to your story again, or you can also tap on save photo. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.